Hi, welcome back. How are you all? Hope you are doing well. Today my topic is exponents and powers. Exponents and powers. Before going to the topic, my dear students, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please click the bell icon for further notifications. Now we are going to the topic exponents and powers. Listen my dear students, first we have to take some numbers, addition of numbers. Example 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Addition of 3 for 6 times. How many times is that? 6 times of 3. It can be written as 6 times by 3. 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. How many times is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. 7 times by 4 times by 4. So 6 3s are 18, 7 4s are 28. Listen my dear students, it's very difficult to add the numbers. For example, some more numbers is there. 32 32 plus 32 plus 32 plus 32 plus 32 plus 32. How many times repeated? 1 2 3 4 5 6 times. 32 is repeated 6 times. So it can be written as 6 times by 32. Actually addition, 32 plus 32 64, 64 plus 32 96, 96 plus 32 128, 128 plus 32 160, 160 plus 32 total 192. Addition is very difficult, so we have to use a multiplication. Multiplication is the short form of addition. Short form of addition. So my dear students, addition short form. Addition short form is a multiplication. Addition short form is multiplication. Then what about multiplication? This is only addition. Addition short form is multiplication. But what about multiplication? For example, same. You have to take the same numbers. Multiplication. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Here 3 is repeated 6 times. 3 only repeated. What is repeated? 3 only repeated. How many times it is repeated? 6 times repeated. 6 times repeated. Now one more example. 4. 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. 4 is repeated number. 4 is repeated number. How many times repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times repeated. So it can be written as 4 is repeated 7 times. So my dear students, multiplication short form is exponent. Multiplication short form is multiplication. Multiplication short form is exponent. Addition short form is multiplication. Multiplication short form is exponent. Here 3 power 6. We have to take 3 power 6. 3 power 6. It is also read as 3 raised to the power of 6. 3 raised to the power of 6. 3 raised to the power of 6. Here 3 raised to the power of 6. In 3 raised to the power of 6, 3 is called exponent. 3 is called exponent, but 6 is called exponent. 3 is called base. 6 is called exponent. 3 is called base. Base means under. Base means under. That means base number. That is base number. 6 means power number, above number. That above number is called exponent. Under number, that means below number, is called base. Below number is called base. Listen. Now I have to discuss about expanded form and exponential form. Expanded form and exponential form. Listen, first we have to take 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 6 times repeated, 3. 6 times repeated. So it can be written as 3 raised to the power of 6. 3 raised to the power of 6 or 3 power 6. This is called exponent. Exponential form. This is called the exponential form. But this is called expanded form. This is called expanded form. This is called exponential form. Now, one more example. We have to take 1000, 10,000. 10,000 can be written as 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. 4 times repeated. This is called expanded form. At the same time, tens, how many tens is there? 4 tens is there. 10 is 4 times repeated. At the same time, it can be written as 10 to the power of 4. 10 to the power of 4 or 10 raised to the power of 4 or 10 power 4. This is called the exponential form. This is exponential form. This is the expanded form. One more example. It can be written as 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a expanded form. Or it can be written as 10 to the power of 5. 10 raised to the power of 5 or 10 power 5. 10 power 5. This is a exponential form. It is an exponential form. Now, listen, my dear students. It can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is also can be written as 3 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. How many times is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is an expanded form. Expanded form. But it can be written as 10 power 7. 3 into 10 power 7. It is a exponential form. It is exponential form. Listen, my dear students, one more example. 5 square. Actually, it is 5 square. It is also written as 5 raised to the power of 2. 5 raised to the power of 2. According to area of 2D figures, it can be written as 5 squared. 5 squared. Next, one more. It can be written as 5 raised to the power of 3. According to value of 3D figures, it is also written as 5 cubed. 5 cubed. It is a 5 squared. It is a 5 cubed. Listen, my dear students. Now we have to discuss about laws of indices. Laws of indices or laws of exponents. Laws of exponents. Listen, first law. A to the power of m into a to the power of n. Before going to this topic, first how to get a to the power of m? That means a into a into a into a and so on, m times repeated. Here a is repeated m times. A is repeated m times, so it can be written as a power m. Again, a into a and so on, n times. N times repeated. A is n times repeated, so it can be written as a to the power of n. Listen. Now coming to the point. A to the power of m into multiplication is a to the power of n. A to the power of m into a to the power of n. Here, what do we observe? Bases are equal. When bases are equal, power should be added. When bases are equal, power should be added. So it can be written as a to the power of m plus n. This is the first formula. What is second? A power m by a power m. It is also can be written as a power m divided by a power m. So what is the result? A power, bases are same, but here division is there. When multiplication is there, both are addition. Both powers are addition. When multiplication is there between the two numbers, between the two exponents, between the two exponents. Into is a, that means bases are equal, power should be added. Here also bases are equal, power should be subtracted. Power should be subtracted if m is greater than n. Here m is greater than n, m is greater than n, we get the same answer, a power m minus n. Or a power m by a power n is equal to 1 by a power n minus m. A power n minus m. A power n minus m. If n is greater than m. N is greater than m. This is second formula. This is second formula. Please note these points, my dear students. When multiplication is there between the two exponents are different, bases are equal. When bases are equal, exponents are different. That means bases are equal, power should be added. Bases are equal, power should be added. Next, here also bases are equal. Bases are equal. Divided by is a between the two bases. At the same time, bases are equal, power should be subtracted. Power should be subtracted. Third law. A power m into b power m. Listen, my dear students. Here, bases are different. When bases are different, into is a between the two exponents. Into is a between the two exponents. But what do you observe? Powers are same. Powers are same. At the same time, bases are multiplied. Power is same. That means AB whole power m. AB whole power m. Next, fourth. A power m divided by b power m. Bases are different, power should be same. At the same time, a by b whole power m. It can be written as a by b whole power m. A by b whole power m. Next, a power m whole to the power of n. Here we have to take only one base. Powers are different. A power m whole power n. When how many numbers? That means the number of powers is there. All powers should be multiplied. Listen, my dear students. Base is only one is there. Number of powers is there. When number of powers is there, all powers should be multiplied. It can be written as a power mn. A power mn. Or a power m whole power n whole power p is there. It is also can be written as a power mnp. A power mnp. Okay, sir. Sixth one. A power minus n. Negative number is there. When negative number is there, when it gets reciprocal, it becomes positive. That means 1 by a power n. 1 by a power n. A power minus n is there. Negative number is there. When it gets reciprocal, it becomes positive. Next up, seventh one. A power 0. A raised to the power of 0. A raised to the power of 0. Listen, we get 1. How to get 1? Listen, my dear students. One example is it. a power 10 minus 10 is just say a power 10 minus 10. 10 minus 10 is in the formula of second formula. A power m minus m is equal to a power m by a power m. So both numbers are same. A power 10 by a power 10. Both numbers are same. We get cancelled. We get 1. We get 1. So a to the power of 0. Not only a to the power of 0. Or 10 power 0 is equal to 1. 100 power 0 equal to 1. X, Y, Z whole power equal to 0. Whole power 0 equal to 1. If A is not equal to 0. If A is not equal to 0. These are the main important laws of exponents. My dear students, in tomorrow class I will explain some problems. If you like this video, please share, like and subscribe. Please click the bell icon for further notifications. My dear students, thank you very much.